Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. Junichiro Kamijo scores the contest. 29-28, Raposo.
哎，分析判定。
Roy Wickapaw scores it. 29-28, Suitarji. And Christopher Edgehill scores the contest. 29-28 for the winner by split decision, the Tibetan Eagle.
最后以分歧判定的方式赢下比赛。
Congratulations on the victory. Hard-fought one. Kind of a grinding performance. So I guess, what did you make of the fight compared to what you expected leading into it?
Well, I think my opponent is shorter than me in terms of size, but he's extremely fast. So that's kind of hard for me to approach my offense during the game.
The commentary was making note that when you guys would separate, you were finding a lot of success with your striking, and then Mitch would close the distance and just kind of push you against the fence. So was it a frustrating fight? I know you're happy with the win, but was it a frustrating fight while it was happening?
Well, I think he's been constantly looking for a submission, wrestling against me. But actually, this is my first time fighting such an opponent that's shorter than me. So sometimes he's making some moves that's almost invisible to me.
And where does this win rank in your career? Because you said you had the knee injury, you had the 3 losses, so I would imagine this was an emotional win. So where would you rank this victory in your career?
Well, the moment the referee held my hand in the air, it was exhilarating. I was so happy, but right now the emotions kind of settled, and I think I've still got more to improve in the future, and I will reflect on it and coming back stronger.
Were you surprised it was a split decision? A lot of people online seem to think you won 2 rounds to 3 pretty easily.
Well, I think the referee made the right decision because after he brought me to the floor, he was just trying to control me, but he couldn't make any real moves on me.
Just last one from you. When would you like to fight again? When would he like to fight?
Well, I think it's going to be very soon because I didn't really get injured in this fight, and I will come back to training very soon.
Sue, right here. Congratulations on the win. Just to build on that, earlier in your career, you were a very busy fighter, fought 4 or 5 times a year. But, since coming to the UFC, it's basically been once a year. Are you concerned that that's been holding you back? And are you thinking you're going to be able to be more active moving forward?
Well, I think it's because the knee injury I had, it's been holding me back a little bit. But moving forward, I will have more games arranged in the future.
Thank you.
Sue, over here. Congratulations on the win. The flyweight division has had so many exciting fights lately. Who do you believe are the most exciting fighters in the division?
Well, I think this weight division is getting more and more attention and getting more popular, more and more excited. There is one fighter that I paid particular notice to. His name is
Manel Kopp.
Yeah.
Manel Kopp. Manel Kopp.
Is Manel Kopp. Yeah.
Could you see yourself fighting him one day?
Of course. We actually had been matched before, together before, but it couldn't happen. But I'm looking forward to it.
And one more from me. Song Yadong has been a great teammate of yours. Do you get more nervous when you fight or when he fights?
Well, I think it's definitely watching him play makes me more nervous because when I'm actually in the game, I feel so locked in. And I think today, watching me play is actually nerve-wracking for him.